Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a Visa Debit gift card. A Visa Debit gift card is a prepaid card that can be used to make purchases online, in stores, and at restaurants that accept Visa debit cards. To start using your Visa Debit gift card, first make sure it is activated. Activation instructions are usually provided with the card. Once activated, you can use the card to make purchases. When making a purchase, simply present the card to the cashier or enter the card details online. The purchase amount will be deducted from the card balance. You can check the card balance online or by calling the customer service number provided with the card. One of the most convenient ways to use a Visa Debit gift card is for online shopping. Simply enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, to complete your purchase. You can also use the card to make purchases in stores, restaurants, and gas stations. In addition to making purchases, you can also use a Visa Debit gift card to pay bills online or over the phone. Many service providers, such as utility and phone companies, accept Visa debit cards as a form of payment. To get the most out of your Visa Debit gift card, it is essential to keep track of the card balance and transactions. You can do this by regularly checking the card balance online or by reviewing the transaction history. It is also important to keep the card and card details safe to prevent unauthorized transactions. Never share the card details with anyone, and always keep the card in a secure location. In case the card is lost or stolen, contact the customer service number provided with the card to report the incident. The card will be canceled, and a replacement card may be issued. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and conveniently use a Visa Debit gift card to make purchases and pay bills. Remember to always keep track of the card balance and transactions, and to keep the card and card details safe.